guys, this is Jill Pinoy. We're back again. Today we're gonna be learning how to make this DIY silk flower, and you can also use different type of ribbon, which is this right here, and it's all different sizes. And there's another one, I did it different way, so you can actually use any size. So on this plate I have here, I have 7/8, I have a 3/8, I have a 5/8, 5/8, it's 5/8. The 7/8 is this one. The 3/8 is the tiny one, cute one. Okay, and we also have the similar 3/8, which is that one right there. That's the 3/8. I use all different colors. And I have this, which is 5/8 again, in a different material. So let's get started. I already pre-cut all my stuff in here. Now I'll be showing you guys how to do them. Normally when you guys work on this type of material, by the way, before we start, you guys are gonna need a lighter. Okay, kids can't be doing this without any adult around them, so we have to be careful with the lighter, as well as scissor. You need to be safe. Adult gotta be around you if kids are trying to do it. Our ruler and our hot glue gun. Okay, so this right here, this size right here is about 2 inches. Okay, so I already pre-cut them. So what I normally do is do this. I make sure the side is nice, and it's not, if you don't do that, once you make your flower, it's gonna fray and it's not gonna look nice. Okay, so we're done with one. Okay, we're gonna actually make 4 petals, I believe. Yeah, on this one. I'll just show you a quick way to do it, and some people do it differently, but this is how I do mine. Okay, that's done. Next, oops, those are my beads right there that we can actually incorporate later on if we want to. Okay, just let that stay there. Okay, so we have our needle right here. Yeah, you need a needle and a thread. So what we do is grab our thread right here and the needle. I already put one together. Okay, so we start from, make sure we tie this part right here, and this is how I do mine. Okay, I did it. I'm gonna do it again for you guys. So let me cut the tip so you guys know how to do that. It's the easiest way to do it for me. So I have my finger right here. I wrap it around, and then I make that loop right there and pull it. See, it's perfectly done. So now we can start doing our flower. So what we do is fold it, and we fold it, and we're gonna start stitching them. It's as easy as that. Okay, and then we fold the other side. Okay, we're done with one petal, so we move that down there. Next, we fold it. After we fold it, we put our needle in. Okay, you guys have to keep doing the same pattern. Everything is the same. You can go 5, 6, or even 3 if you guys want to. But see, like this one right here is 1 2 3 4 5. There's 5 in here. This is the other side of it. See, as you guys can see. Okay, and if you guys notice this right here, it's kind of like frayed like that. What you guys can do is grab your lighter, slightly burn it down, and it's gone. So sorry about that. Let's go back to this and finish it up. So the same thing, you fold one end, you let your needle go in through. This is very easy, guys, very easy. This is basic stuff. Okay, and then we go down, grab your other one because we're making 4 petals. Okay, so 1, and then the other end, you fold it, you go through. It's been really hot here in Hawaii. Okay, so here we go. Here's our 4 petals of flowers. So what we do is pull it. Okay, and then we have this one hanging in here. You don't go all the way in here. And then what we do is put this needle on this end, loop it in, then we pull it, and that's when we tie it. Okay, and then we can just fix it later. We tie it, so go 1 and 2, okay, we tie it, and one more time, 1 2, we tie it. So I'm using a white one because I don't have any purple color for the thread. It should be fine because it's kind of like hiding in the back. So this is how it looks like when we're done with 4 petals. You guys can fix it the way you want it. You want it wide, you want it thin, you can. And this is the other side of it. So you can actually use both sides of this particular flower. See how it looks like on the white one. This is your white one. That's the front and that's the back. So either or, whichever side you guys want to use, it still look good. Okay, so that's your 4 petals. And I also have the 5. Okay, I have also a 6 over here. That's front and back. See, this is how it looks like in the back. See how it has that effect right there? So it's either side, you guys. This has more wrinkle in the inside. This has more folding on the outside because that's where we fold it. You see? And we also have 3. This is how the 3 look like. We made all different ones already in here. I pre-made some. And I'm going to incorporate this to one of my single braided lei. See how it looks like, because I've never tried putting it in a lei before. But I normally use these guys to make like headbands, or when I'm making a Christmas tree, I always like to incorporate this type of flower on like my miniature Christmas trees. Okay, so, and this is the other one too that I made, and this is really simple and easy. So it's the same thing. What we do is burn this part right here, burn that, make sure it's nice and good on each end. So this is the other simple one that I make. So we go this way. This is really easy. You guys can get it in no time. Just as simple as that. Okay, then you go through, then you go to the other end, you loop it through, then you tie it. You gotta tie it not once, but twice or 3 times to secure this flower so it will stay. It's 1, 2, 3, and that's how it looks like. It's really nice. I like this color too, and this particular type of material. So this one, we can use it for this guy right here. We can put it right on top. See how nice that thing is? So that's when the hot glue gun comes in. We're gonna hot glue them. Or if you want, you can also use beads that you have at home. Whatever you can find. But these are my old ones. So you gotta just improvise what you have. See, we're gonna just use a hot glue gun for that one. Or what we can do too is put these guys right here. Hot glue gun again. Then if you want to make it more fancy, you flip it, you put the nice color of it, and then we're gonna improvise in putting this beads like this. You see? So I'm gonna go ahead and put all of them together, and we'll be right back. I know this is quite long video, but I hope you guys stick around. So okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this lei by using these flowers that we made. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and tie it this way. Okay, and then we make sure we fixed it. And this particular lei that I have is the 2 different size of ribbons. So I used a 5/8 and a 3/8 ribbon. So these are the sizes that I use. Again, 5/8 and 3/8. So it has a different effect. I already made the video making this type of lei, so we can go ahead and finish this. Okay, so let's trim this first because we don't want it too long, and trim this part right here. And we're gonna start finishing up this lei. Okay, so we can just randomly glue them by covering part of that. Okay, can you guys see it? Okay, my lighting is really bad right now, guys. Can you guys see it nicely? So okay, so we have that, and we're gonna put one down here. Okay, make sure we press it down, guys, because the glue has to stick onto the material. Okay, you can press that there. Make sure you leave your finger there for good, maybe 5-10 minutes. No, 5-10 seconds. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me just fix this real quick. Okay, so I think I want to put a little bit more on this side. Should I use this one? No, I'm gonna use this right here. So I'm gonna incorporate that right there. 5 seconds. I think maybe I can put one more here. No, maybe that's good enough. So yeah, there you go. So if you guys want a bigger type of flower, you guys can use the thicker ones. So this one right here is the thickest one that I have. That is 7/8. So yeah, this is the thickest one. You guys have it. This is how I make my flower made out of ribbon, or different type of ribbon. They have satin and all different fabric of type of ribbon material. Simple and easy, guys. So you guys can use this for little girls headband or whatnot, or you can actually incorporate this to some of your clothes or your blouse that you a plain top or a plain shirt that you guys have. So there you guys have it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and aloha. Here's our final product, guys. I'm gonna try it on and show you guys a picture.